Jamaica, I am desperate. I am desperate. I'm seeking you to come on board with me. I need the nation. Mighty God, I need help. I need help. I'm looking to you.
So when you reach out to the police, you contacted them yourself, no response from them?
Nothing. I'm not hearing anything. Nothing. I'm not hearing anything. Nothing to bring comfort. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I'm wondering where do we live? Is this Jamaica? This is not a good Jamaica for us. I worked so hard. Let me tell you something. I'm going to share my story with Jamaican because they need to know where I am coming from. I got pregnant at 16 years old. I have my 3 daughters. We are like sisters. Stephanie, I suffered with Stephanie. I suffered with Stephanie. I didn't have food to eat. I am not from Westmoreland, but I went to Westmoreland with my friend. And while I was there and I got pregnant, I have no one. I have to do any type of work. Not meaning to go and sell myself because guess what? I grew up in church, so that is out of it. I'm not hearing nothing at all from her friends, from the team. Nothing at all. I don't even know who they are. I don't know them.
And they haven't reached out to you?
I don't know them. I'm begging you, nationwide, churches all over. Only you I have right now to stand in the gap with me. I am begging you, church all over, to come. I need help. Poor Stephanie missing. And she called me. She said, Mom, pray for me. I said, Steph, you go and pray. Learn to pray for yourself now. I've been praying for you too long. But still, I'm going to pray for you. And I encourage her from my home to church. And I said, Steph, you need to pack your things and come down. Where's Stephanie living? There's a greater dwelling for her there. I said, come. Stephanie said, Mom, remember that we're going to go away the Tuesday. I buy a ticket for all of them to go on a family vacation. She said, Mom, I can't come. I can't come because I have goods to make. I don't refer Stephanie as a Meddik dancer. I refer Stephanie as a businesswoman. I don't grow up her into the dancer. I understand that is what she wants. But I don't refer to her as Meddik. She's Stephanie Williams.
Day, which was the 24th. She was in the bank and she was talking to me. And I was on another call. We spoke briefly, probably about 10, 11 minutes. And then I told her that I would call her back. But we'll probably send messages like we normally do in between time. And she texted me that day and she said, friend, I have something to tell you. And I text her back and I said, I can't wait to hear. I did not talk to her at all after 10 in the morning. And the last message she sent me was 3 o'clock. That was the last time I sent her something and she responded.